Hello, learners. Welcome to State GS blog. This is my daily learning English blog, and today I want to talk about my problem area or my area of improvement. So basically, I am lacking in three places: first, reading, writing, and speaking. Uh, I have Hindi medium background, so I am lacking in all three places. Uh, if I talk about my writing, so I do make lot of mistakes in spellings. If you ask me the spelling of graduate, so maybe I'm not able to, you know, say it properly. I know this is my weakness area, and reading also. I'm not feel very confident reader, especially in front of people. Like when my boss and my manager show some slide and say, "Okay, can you read it?" So I feel hesitate or I feel not confident while reading that. And also I can see like when I try to read some new word, so I'm not pronounce properly, so I have to use that option, define wala, then I go to Google, then repeat it. Okay. And most important, the most uh, important part of speaking. So yeah, I'm lacking in speaking as well. So I think I do mistakes in tenses, which is like any beginner or any learner does mistakes in these areas. So yeah, I'm trying to learn, and I'm working on these areas on my day-to-day basis. And please guys, do subscribe and like this channel, and let's learn and grow together. And if someone from who has good knowledge, so please share your feedback. And on this blog channel, I'll try to do different kind of activity to engage myself and make a journey of this progress. So I think it's a very sunny day in here, and today is Sunday, so I'm enjoying with my family. So actually okay, so I think this is enough for today, because I don't want to share with you like very long videos. So it's already 3 minute plus. So bye bye. I just read one article about India sent their delegation to US, UAE, and other foreign countries to inform the world about Pulwama attack, who like recently had in India, and how we retaliate and how we took action on that. So India sent a delegation, and our very own Mr. Tharoor, Mr. Sashi Tharoor, like one of the best speaker, I'm saying in the world, not in our company, but in the world. So he is leading that delegation, and he talks about the uh, all the thing. Although it's very strange, like he's in opposition, but government send him to give their opinion or give their version to the world. So it's very good and positive sign in Indian politics also. So basically, I'm telling you because I read that article, and I want to share with you this in my words, like how I understood or how I learned from that particular article. So yeah, this is one of my way to learn English: reading articles on my mobile phone, the newspaper, and talk about it. So this is also a way to learn new things. Yeah, so that Mr. Tharur explains well all the incident. When I read that article, so I feel it's I think some government spokesperson talk about it. Like there is no there is no word about criticize our government. You know the how is politics going on in India. So, but it's a very positive sign. Like Mr. Tharoor take India's side, although like his duty to take to India's side. But yeah, all in all, Mr. Tharoor brief the press conference in very pacific or very intelligent, and I'm also very impressed by him. Not this particular instance, but from the I know he's famous for his English pronunciation, English word, English vocabulary. So yeah, so I think yeah, that's it. Bye bye. It's a second attempt. So yeah, I think this kind of video I make and hope you also learn something new world and you also want to share your thoughts. So please guys do and like subscribe this channel and share your thoughts. Bye bye.